Hey, my guy, what are you doing on my desk? What are you doing there? What are you doing?
Fixing.
What are you fixing there? Your laptop, what's the problem?
Fixing.
You're removing the screw.
Mm.
What is the problem? What's the problem there?
I have to change this.
Oh, it's broken.
Yes.
Okay. That's the problem. That's what you're fixing there.
Yes.
Okay. Let's see. The screen is also broken.
Yes.
So you change the screen too?
Yes.
Wow. Wow. How long would that take? Are you sure of the time, or you don't know the time how long it's gonna take yet?
I don't know how many.
How many minutes? You're still busy. Okay, I'm gonna stay here and watch you do it. Get busy. Open it, fix it, let's see.
Where's the school?
It's fell down. Wow. Can't wait to see what the finished product. Now you're taking out the battery. What is that?
I'm taking out the battery.
Okay. Okay. Sure, I'm waiting, my guy. I'm waiting to see you finish the laptop. Okay, that's good.
Ooh, one screw is not out.
One screw is not out. Take it out.
Okay.
Yeah, take it out. Now is the time to change your things. Wow.
Who wrote a 6?
Who wrote away a 6? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Wow. How far is the job now?
So good.
So far, so good. Now you're taking off that panel.
Yes.
Wow.
And I'm also changing the screen.
You're gonna change the screen now?
Yes.
Can't wait. I'm waiting. Proceed. I wanna watch you fix this machine. So you're going to change the screen and then you're gonna change the hinges.
Yes.
Okay, boy. I'm watching. Wow. Now you're gonna unscrew the screen and change it the hinges and stuff.
Yes.
Wow. So what are you doing now?
I'm putting back the thing.
You're done changing the screen?
Yes.
Wow. So you're screwing it back.
Yes.
You are done with everything.
Yes.
Can't wait to see the machine
I just
working.
have to put the cover and I'm done.
You have to put the cover, you don't, but I didn't see you testing it.
Then I'll also test that I made a mistake.
You will also test it to see if you made a mistake or you are correct.
Yes.
Wow, I'm watching.
I'll test it.
I'm watching and waiting. Yeah. Now you're putting it back.
Yes.
Wow. Yeah. Okay, test it. Let's see if you did a good job. So you change your cover, you change the hinges, you change the screen. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, let me see if you did a good job. Wow. Wow, let's see. Yo! Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What's your name, boy?
Salem.
Hey, you fix a laptop. Hey, nice working.
Mm.
So you can build a laptop.
Yes.
Wow. Wow. Who teach you?
Eh?
Who teach you?
You. My
Me.
father.
Your father. Okay. Wow. Your machine is fine now. Wow. Boy, that's great. High five.